switching up a little bit here. What do you think the reasoning is for them completely cutting off production of HDC? They told us that was going to happen, but why do you think it was just? Is it because they want to move on to the B and be done with the HDC, or do you think it's because the HDC is just proven to be too much of a headache at this point? And so,
I think the.
Well, I was going to say, I wonder what the backlog of the HDC, did they have like 1,000 left they were supposed to send out, or is it like 20,000,
I don't know. I know people, I've seen people who've said they've just cut it off. They just told me I have to upgrade or else now. From their Discord and from the stuff I've seen kicked around on Twitter, it just seems like they just finally said, you know what? We are wasting a lot of resources making a product that's already inferior. We're having to order new electronics for an inferior product. We're having to pay, and to buy it at wholesale price, you're paying a lot of money to get stuff for a camera that's crap. You know what I mean? So they finally were like, the people who are buying this imagery don't want this imagery. We don't want to deal with this camera. And whether they know it or not, the people who are driving who have the HDCs, you don't want an HDC. Not when you have the opportunity to have a B. And it's like, you don't want to admit it, but it's like the HDC is not going to get you nearly as much tokens. It's not going to do nearly as much as the B. And it's hard. It's that parental thing going, I'm sorry, we're just not going to do that anymore. This is what we need. So we can't just let you play with your toys. You got to upgrade. You got to use a big boy baseball bat. We're not in T-ball.
Taking the training wheels off.
Yeah, you can't do the wiffle ball bat anymore. I'm sorry, this company's growing too fast. We have real clients who want real data, and the best way for us to do that is with the B, not with the HDC that we started at.
Any idea what where they cut it off at? Was it like, okay, if you ordered of April this year and later? Then
I don't. I would be curious to know how many people they had to send that email out to, how many were left on the list. Because my buddy who ordered in mid-January just got his. 3 or 4 weeks ago. So I'm thinking, man, maybe February.
God, it was mid-January because I ordered
January 21st,
the second week of December, and I got mine in May, I think.
Yeah, but that was right when everything fired up. That was once people saw what the coin was doing, everybody ordered from mid-December to mid-January. That was the hot time. And so it was just backlog. Now, so I don't know how many people ordered from February to May or whatever. I think I ordered some in early January, and they gave me the option to update. And I said, well, I'll make more with the HDC between now and then than I would waiting for a B. So that was why I did that.
Because also you foresaw this not making the timeline. Also, you weren't looking at,
right. I did say they're not going to be out by the end of September or August or whatever. Also,
¿Hablas español?
Un momento.
And that's just because, if you've seen these past videos, we've been doing this game for a year and a half since the last February 2023 when I first ordered, and it took till August to get it. I just knew I'd rather have a product in hand making money right now.
No.
And I with the money that I have made, I have ordered Bs. I'm ready for the Bs. I'll be the first one to swap them out, and I don't know what I'm going to do with all this dead hardware.